Hey, what's up YouTube? Got a quick overview of this pickup that I got, a military type knife. This is the brand. I've been told that's pronounced Knox. Alright, so that is how the knife will arrive. It has a MOLLE compatible nylon sheath with a belt loop there, a tie down there, 2 retaining straps, has a plastic insert, that's a sheath. The stats on the knife, that is the brand, that is the model, Atlant-3, D2 tool steel, 7.95 inches blade length, that is the thickness, MOLLE compatible nylon sheath, TPR coated handle, 10.05 ounces is the weight listed, and this was $25. The normal price is actually $50. I got this at a 50% off sale, so I paid $25. The knife itself has a lanyard hole, an extended tang with an impact point, TPR coated handle, which is rubber, has jimping on a thumb rest, has a choil, integrated guard, it's got a fuller there, it's a clip point, it's got a lot of reach to it, satin finish, D2 tool steel. The black bladed model is a different steel, but the satin is D2, right? And this is currently sold out because they put it on sale for 50% off. So the satin model, it's sold out for now, but in the future they might bring it back. So if you're watching this a few years from now, they might have it back in stock. But yeah, impressive blade. I would say this is meant as a fighting knife because it's got the reach, the piercing ability, it has impact point there, and provides a good grip, but yet it's, for its size, it's very fast in the hand. Wow. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Just cutting a few more things with this. This is like a seatbelt strap. This goes right through. Got bike tire tubing. Goes right through. Now make no mistake, the purpose of this is to deanimate enemy soldiers. Straight up, okay? So even though I cut a few things, it's just in case you have to do some utility functions. If that's the enemy combatant, now I occasionally get people that want me to pull the knife sideways to break the tip off. Well, that's not how you would use it on the battlefield, dude. So yeah, I could break this if I wanted to, but I'm not here to break my knives for no fucking reason. Now, if you appreciate seeing items like this, go ahead and give me some engagement. Help out the channel by leaving a positive comment. You know, as I said before, I'm from a military family. My dad and granddad were combat veterans. So the discussion of weapons of all types is not unusual within my family. So if you're scared of weapons, well, just go watch some puppies and kittens videos instead. As I've said, I had a friend who was in a Marine assault company doing basically military operations in urban terrain, house to house, room to room fighting, and he actually did have to use a knife against an insurgent. And I asked myself, could he have used this? Absolutely, this would have done what he needed to do. But for comparison, yeah, the clip point model, it's longer, has a lot more reach, right? But these are both, you can see what these are meant to be. Someone was saying you could use them as pig stickers. Well, these would certainly pierce flesh and muscle, no doubt. Okay, just for fun, there you go. 2 cuts, 1 bottle? Sure. Well, alright YouTube, I hope you enjoyed seeing this. Now, as I said, this particular model has sold out, but the same seller has a lot of interesting models, so I'll just include a link to their store if you can use US Amazon links. And I've been told by one of my viewers that that is an authorized official dealer. I guess he can tell by the website. But yeah, check them out.